In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can create a QR code for Gmail. So you can generate a QR code for Gmail that instantly open a new pre-addressed email when scanned. So to do that, you first need to head over to a new tab and search for QR code generator. You can choose any options right here that you want. In this case, I'll just choose this Me QR option. So once you're in there, you can choose between URL or links or this text, audios, custom URL, or the likes. For this case, let's choose email. So click on this button, then input right here the email recipient. So for example, in this case, let's choose my email. So once that's been chosen, you can just input the body as well as the subject. I'll just leave it as is. You can also name your QR and then your content category. From there, click on this customize and download. In here, you can see a very plain QR code that you can actually edit. So you can add some frames, shapes, or anything that you want in order to beautify it. On this case, I'll just choose this Scan Me template. You can choose the size as well as the format. Now click on this download QR code and it should be able to be downloaded. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.